Hello everyone, welcome back to the Kanchan's Kitchen. Diwali is round the corner, so on this occasion we Sindhis prepare Lai. Lai is a form of chikki which is easy to prepare and tasty to have. Today I will prepare and show you 4 different varieties of Lai. The common and main ingredients to make all 4 varieties of Lai are sugar, ghee and cardamom powder to prepare the caramelized sugar. So let's begin with the first variety, that is gram dal or dalia lai. In a hot pan, add half cup sugar and 1 teaspoon ghee. Roast it on high flame for about half a minute and then on medium flame for another half a minute. Then on low flame, keep stirring it till it melts. It starts melting after 2 minutes. In between, let's grease the rolling pin and board with ghee. Keep melting the sugar on low flame only. It takes time to melt on low flame, but that would avoid it from burning, resulting in darker color and bitter taste. So make sure to melt it carefully on low flame. See, it should look like this on melting and its color should be golden brown like this. Let's check it once by pouring a little in regular water. See, it's not floating and even cracking well on pressing. Now, at this point, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 3/4 cups of gram dal or dalia. Mix and bind it well. When it binds like this, remove it on a board and give it a round shape using rolling pin. You can also use your hands in between to give a better shape and make sure you don't leave any gaps in between. Using knife or pizza cutter, give a slight cut like this so that after it cools, we can easily break it in desired shape. Now, let's keep it aside to cool. Done with the first variety, so let's prepare the second variety, that is roasted nuts lai. The steps are similar, so I will go a little fast. Before we begin, let's transfer this in a plate and grease the rolling pin and board again. Now, just like before, in a hot pan, add half cup sugar and 1/4 teaspoon ghee. You can replace ghee with oil. Roast it on high flame for half a minute and then half a minute on medium flame. Later, we will melt it on low flame. It starts melting after 2 minutes. When it melts and gets golden brown in color, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 3/4 cups roasted nuts. Mix and bind it well. Now it has bound well, so let's turn off the flame and remove it on the board. Give it a round shape using rolling pin and hands in between. Once we are happy with the shape, slightly cut it in the desired shape and keep it aside to cool down. Transfer it in a plate after 5 minutes and grease the board and rolling pin for the third variety. This third variety of lai is dry fruit lai, which is made during special occasions like a festival of Diwali is apt for it. There is a slight change in preparing this lai, so watch carefully to understand it better. Just as before, add half cup sugar and 1 teaspoon ghee in a hot pan to caramelize the sugar. You must be thinking, why are we caramelizing the sugar separately each time? Why don't we caramelize it at once? Please don't do so. as while preparing one lie, the rest of the caramelized sugar will cool down and will not bind well with the other ingredients, or you will have to cook it more to melt it. That would overcook the sugar and again result in darker color and bitter taste. So it's better to caramelize sugar separately. Now, at this point, watch carefully. We are adding 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, half cup chopped cashew nuts, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, and 1/4 cup chopped pistachios. Let's mix and bind it all well. Remove it on board and give it a round shape in the same way. Also give the desired shape cut using the cutter. Keep it aside to cool down. With this, we have completed dry fruits, roasted nuts, and gram dal lai. Yet left with the fourth variety, that is puffed rice. Process of binding this lie is different and interesting. So do stay with us till the end, and if you're liking the recipes, then do like the video, comment and share it with everyone. Also do subscribe for more such interesting recipes. Now for the fourth variety also, let's caramelize half cup sugar adding 1 teaspoon ghee. You must have noticed I am using the bigger hairy bottom pan to make this lie, as the quantity of puffed rice would be more. This time we are not using non-stick pan. So we will melt it on high flame for a minute and then on medium flame for a minute instead of half a minute. Now let's melt it on low flame. Till the time it melts, let's grease the steel plate instead of rolling pin and board. When the sugar gets caramelized, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 2 cups of puffed rice. Mix and bind it well. Make sure you turn off the gas while binding it. Let's remove it in the greased plate. Also grease the flat based bowl like this. Now, using this greased flat based bowl, press the mixture, spread and set it in the plate. Once you get the desired result, using the knife, free the sides and with the cutter give the desired shape. Keep it aside to cool down. With this, we have completed all the 4 lies. See, after cooling, it will get set like this. It will look like this from the back. You can also decorate it using silver leaves like this. Do try it this Diwali, as it's easy to prepare and tasty to have. Hope you like today's recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Happy Diwali.